Goddess Sita, the daughter of earth, a divine born, a woman as tolerant, enduring, and giving as the soil she was found in. While growing up, she witnessed the writing of Upanishads, which were written in the council called by her father, King Janak. She had the chance to learn from two great women, Sage Gargi and her mother Sunaina. While her mother taught her the ways of a woman and a princess, Sage Gargi taught her the power of thought, questioning, discussion, and nature. She got the best of both worlds. Sita is often portrayed as a passive character who got caught at the hands of destiny. However, it was not so. In her heart, she had already decided to marry Sri Ram. She had prayed to Goddess Gauri to grant her the husband she chose. Everyone knows Sita was divine. The Shiv Dhanush was divine. She was able to lift that Dhanush as a child only. So, how can people even think anyone else other than Devi Sita's desired Sri Ram could have lifted that Dhanush up? Devi Sita is remembered for her fine attributes and for having the noblest qualities of women. Some of them are simplicity. Even though she was a princess, she left her luxurious life and accompanied her husband to the jungle. She happily survived in the jungle with Sri Ram only because of her simplicity. Now, coming to the next one, selfless love towards her husband. Right from the marriage, Devi Sita always stood for her husband, Lord Sri Ram. She decided to move out with Sri Ram in his exile. She could have chosen not to, but she didn't. She chose to be with her husband even in his exile. Now, coming to the next quality, which is loyalty. When abducted by Ravan, she could have chosen to be his queen. The point of war would have ended if she would have decided so, but she resisted and became the reason for Ravan's death, proving her loyalty towards Lord Sri Ram. Next noble quality is believing in her man. Devi Sita always believed in Sri Ram. In Lanka, even after waiting and suffering for so long, when Hanuman appeared in front of her and asked her to come along with him to Sri Ram, she refused, as she always believed that Sri Ram will come and save her. Now, above all these, Devi Sita was also an ideal mother. Although she led a distressed life, once sent to exile again, but she endured and taught her sons the virtues fit for the future prince, never once instilling hatred for their father in their hearts, as she knew her husband loved her. In the end, she chose to go back to her abode after entrusting her children, Love and Kush, to their father, rather than going back to Ayodhya. And Sita was taken back inside the earth from where she was born. Summing up all this, we can say that with the endurance of earth, the kindness of a woman, and the nurture of a mother, Devi Sita became an example for future generations. She showed how to maintain self respect of the women in her while still being a loving wife, a caring mother, and a queen. Today we celebrate her, whose name even God bears proudly before his. Sri Sita Devi ki Jai. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to this channel, then please don't forget to subscribe the channel.